Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be giving you a brief explanation of the library's on-order book system. Most of the books listed on the academic resource page are available as full-text electronic books, but you'll also find some that will lead you to the CCNY Libraries page instead. These books are only available as print copies from the library through a 7-day loan. Any book that is only available as a physical copy will have this written underneath the title. By clicking the title of the book, you'll be taken to the CUNY Plus library catalog.
The information here will tell you which library the book you're looking for is located. You'll find this particular book available for a loan in the Science and Engineering Library, for example. The call number is exactly where the book is going to be located on the library shelves. If you're not sure how to read the call number, then please ask your librarian for help. You'll also be able to see exactly how many copies of the book are available for loan. But let's say that you need to go about searching for a book from the CUNY Plus library catalog. First, you're going to want to narrow your search parameters here by clicking keyword in title or any other option, just so long as it's not all fields, which will negatively impact your search results. You can also pick which library location you want to search over here on the right, though the All Libraries option is usually a good idea. There are a few more pieces of important information on library books under the Item Status section. If an item is listed as regular loan, it can be borrowed. If it's listed as reference or course reserve, then it cannot be borrowed. It's also important to know that ebooks owned by another library can't be borrowed. You have the option to request to have a copy of the book be sent from another campus to the CUNY School of Medicine through the CLICK system here, and the book will be delivered to your campus library within 3 days. Make sure you pick up the book you requested, as failure to do so will result in you being charged a fee. And that concludes our video on CUNY's on-order book system. Thanks for watching, everyone.